Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a user and group on Windows Server. Are you ready? So let's get started. Uh, Click on the search menu and type Active Directory User and Computer, as you can see here. So click on that. Okay. And this is our domain audit.creosol.ch. So I have a folder, as you can see here, groups and user. I have some users and I didn't create any groups. So in this tutorial I will show you how to create group and user on Windows Server. So click on the folder where you want to create groups. So right click, new, and groups. Okay. For example, HR. Okay. Click OK. That's how you can create groups. Very easy and very simple. If you want to create user, click on the folder of user, new, and user. Okay. So here you should type, for example, John and Smith, for example, and the username, for example, John.smith. Okay, and next, and choose a password. Okay, mm, and check the checkbox. Next, finish. The password should be actually very. Let me type another password. And next, finish. That's how you can create user. As you can see, I created this user John Smith, and yeah, I created groups and I created user. If you want to add user into groups, for example, in this groups, click on that, okay, and click members. Here you can add, for example, let me add John into this. Just type John and check names. As you can see, John Smith. Okay, see, I added this user into HR groups. Click apply and OK. Yeah, that's how you can create groups and you create users on Windows Server. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.